Kwa babiem do Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so yadani te kote gwase ni nkranhye nsem a enen so ode abre de edu so no ye Badwam kase nsem ne doso ne etodwa omu bi a wobetini enu a ya paibom ewo budumburam enipa miensa nam so ahwe wonkwa yade sansem no ebebro na fe yabora eye International Criminal Court eye prosecutor ne waba o mayimu nsrahwe na fo miensa eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo hwe me live e Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel ne 119 DSTV channel ne 280 uko YouTube nso a o search a Adom TV Tube ubenyaye na fe nsem wenum nso ani bebre o log kwa adomonline.com a eno nso ebi wo ho midin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne de mientie se de nsem ne chemu ankasa etie enura na yare hosam ewo budumburam donu bi eno eben kasoa ni nyina ne se akwan a yesiesie ye kasoa wini ba kwantempon no so no contractor ba ko na wopai eboy bewi akire akum enipa miensa amenipa duasa enkono nso na won mo eprebidie mu odin bi nso ya discharge wo makase no etoso
when we were doing our normal work when we heard a loud sound. Then less than 2 minutes, the Okada people started rushing people in with various degrees of injuries. So as has already been told, 3 came in. They were dead already when they came in. We've managed the situation with the police. Our staff worked very hard to stabilize those that are in critical condition has been referred. Though it was a bit difficult getting the national ambulance, finally one came. We are still waiting for one more that will take. So the one that came had to take 2 people at a go, and then we are waiting instead of one. So the 2 that are left, we are waiting. Among them all is a 7-month-old baby. It's among these 42. So just like you have been told, this is what happened.
International Criminal Court aye prosecutor Karim Khan about my Ghana Munsrahwe or the Nefwamiensa and Esineni so intimeka say Chief Justice Gertrude Saki Tokunu Attorney General the Minister for Justice Godfrey Adom and wabo one more extra and Semino Adom Kase etwase.
It's domestic litigation. And if he's not able to try, the ICC of course can then assume judicial. I think that point for me is most important because it reinforces the concept behind the ICC, which is complementarity rather than being a primary litigation. So I think that again too, it's important that African countries fully incorporate the role statutes into their domestic laws because much as it provides opportunity for the crimes we try to address, it also boosts the sovereignty of the countries. I consider it offensive to the sovereignty of a nation to have crimes of that nature tried outside the jurisdiction. So if indeed the country has an established legal framework within which crimes of aggression and law can be tried in the domestic arena, it's even better. It reinforces the ICC principles as well as boost the sovereignty.
Prosecutor so ebo Ghana baso eba no atemu na fe atentene nsem a ochiremu dia na yade se Ghana abo won homodin pa.
That you don't boast about it, but you have a lot to be proud of. But of course we know that complacency is the enemy for peace. One should never take the peace, the stability of a country for granted, and that's why the bill that you have presented as Minister of Justice for the domestication of the Rome Statute is so important. Because for victims, it's also critical for crimes to be properly labelled, and that can also act as a warning signal.
National Cathedral Symposium ena ene akoso na one more share sadie ebeti anyini ebeti tumpon ohawa wodo ya ekoso ewo mu no one more dwendwen ho sebe ya wo mbesiesia Adom TV etwaso
Yepese ye ni se yakasa yepese National Cathedral no eye cathedral a yebetimi ede amanama nyina bagana International Cathedral no yepese na National Cathedral no so ne ede before omo America mamuni Caribbean nyina no eba ha na Santa ye kan national cathedral no bia nim se bia sorry be ne esi ne ka se da bia nya sorry asori ka ho but de ehia pa ne se ye pese Ghana ye the national cathedral no etwe amanaman nyina ba ha.
Executive Director Salt and Light Ministries any member Emma National Cathedral of Ghana Womo board Reverend Dr. Joyce Ayi enso kasaye edefa Christianity any challenge any values our African society enso den nsem say na tudwa
National Cathedral no ye be friend no bibi say complex the kudinti aye kan say complex say nye say ya sorry dan keke ne mom eye adwene bia edi enkabom ebeba Christosom nyina mu ene senia Christosom ebeboa ama enioma te se asomodwe a oman no hia a odi betumpon bebi asomdwe wo no eho na aman mma no etumi enya emre dwene edi wo mu ahodin ni ade nyina de hye enioma edi mpuntu beba ama wo mankasa nipa afam mpuntu afam eni brebia
Adom TV Badwam kase na ugiso ehwe no na name kase syntax tank onma ya dia de hia won mo teshi ba bosome nan ne kakra ni nso ho ya de ama won pa nti wakoche won mu nso free se wonye mfanye wadwuma Adom kase edi eche
syntax tank there ye kire say wo pese wo fa onsuo no affordability durability the enwa syntax tank obi agi atum Ghana fo nyina agi atum say syntax tank the enwa ni papa no enti ye da se pa say Mose ya strong ya tough ya strong dia ya the beba community nti teshifo last time ne ekonima honsu de over 45,000 liters na chiche free and dia bateshi ha nti Ghana anywhere you are in Ghana bia what me call Syntax Ghana Facebook page na so Instagram page no na nominate you area no say Syntax way mo fancy bra me buy ndware me mama ndware me penso de aduane yes ye de beba ya enu nso wuntu ahwe free
eno echi no kromafo enso echi eni so edema Syntax tank wade fefa wabeyama wono mo
in fact ende ya ye water hia eni ya ye wo Penny Agbizan electoral area anom ende enso fe say Syntax aba ye mwa in fact the amoye na nopa we no ade a ya pe ache because for over 4 months no in fact ensio emba
nyame hira wo mo pa se wo mo a mo mesra yen na yen tumi nya ensuo
efetu mene gbine nyeke Syntax tank e ba bia ne wo appreciate na ageshan ye wa don wa ageshan ke mene ne ba supply onu won to ni every 3 months ne ba supply onu na kanu ko ni woda nye shojogba no shira pe no ma ke nye pe ja shan ke Syntax tank is available is strong too
4 year wo man Ghana mo se ne ye bia no yemhwe na amamrebo ye ho ban sensentrefo ye sentrom ye nsenkamo no ye de be ye dwuma titiru wo ya ho boase ye kwakoto aba na Adom kase etwaso
ne media na ba bibia ye obeka bia ye dia watch media na de o kind of platform be so na de o hwehwe nti untumi media na mfiri mo nti de kan say misinformation ma media no enka asema entisa asem no esi na wa twist no go so wa twist no adane no na abaye kodumpo ane no kwese ana asem ko ensi kra disinformation na aka bibi abehye na abaye asem na ho nti kan say ye kwa batoi ye pese media no benya aboche aye nhwemu fanchin na de ebisua na haye na se wunim na se wonya saa nimje ya obi kan se bi na se enye abato nhye abotuma kan se we de enye abato nhye ana obi kan se bi na ofui se echia de ebe so na ha ye be che se we echia nti wo be boaye ama ya tete public no wo be boaye ama public na hu se abato no se ne no se ne de to ha because se na wo se me ye nti media no enka bibia oboni se only is not on top of the issue media be kan se bia no na onu se de okan forging na obisa na bia so bit match
kakaku abrante amanebo asa
Electoral Commission a free and run adequacy October busumi ya iwo mi de to so do enkono one more sign ABA provisional voters register we no online sebe ya wo bibia nso ebetumi akọ no wahunu se ne din wo mana ne din nimu anade na ekoso ewo mu no kase edeba.
Electoral Commission ede abetu dwase nyame yadoma a free echina ana womo ehye womo exhibition online de no enu ntino womo de ato manfo anim se womo ebetimi abo sa kodi *711*51# na womo ede akohwe womo details womo echirima sa nhihye eyade a womo eboa na womanfo akohwe provisional voters register abra womo enko EC office bia commission no ede ato manfo anim se womo ewo ohaw awodo bia womo enhwe se womo beko EC womo district offices na womo etimi aso ano amom commission no esan akiremu se anamontu a womo etui eyade a womo hwe se womanfo edin ene niema bia eka ho no nina eguna kwam na no beboa ama voter register womo pese womo no electoral commission de ato amanyoku nina nim se womo hwe se womo de womo ho be hye sa enhyehyemu na womo nso ehu
NDC amanyoko Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama na nei wobo isi kwadu wo enyiyimu ya wo yiyimu wormo NDC amanyoko Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama susu se ura Benadmona ye disqualify no wo presidential race no mu no enyiyimu fi se wo hwemu pa no a enipa bi krampo wo abato din no eso a Benadmona edi mu krampo esen wormo ene wodin wo so no munsem eni.
There are 13 people who were qualified to be on the ballot paper. Unfortunately, our brothers in the PNC were wrongfully disqualified. I do not understand how come the PNC were not allowed to be on this ballot paper. The PNC is a more worthy party than several parties that I see here on the ballot paper. But that's the issue we have with the Electoral Commission. Sometimes they are discriminatory because there are some people on this ballot paper who Benadmona qualifies more to be here than those people. And I know it will provoke controversy, but I mean it. And so we are here, NDC. They are
no Adom TV, Badwam Kasia na hana bema kwaina no pay ye de siasa da na ye odia omre no wadaje a ode ma yenti ne mom ani diem chen biem na ye wode bonkrata no ene online de wo ha ye de twaso ye kwaba.